In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Figma access token. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you need to visit the Figma website. Open your browser and go to the home page of Figma. Just type in figma.com and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, make sure you log into your account if you aren't already logged in. This is important because you'll need to be logged in to create an access token. Next, once you are logged in and on your dashboard, look for your profile or team name. In our example, it's labeled as Basu. Click on that to move to the next step. This should take you to a new screen where you can find various options related to your account. Now you'll want to find the Settings option. It's usually on the left sidebar. Click on that to access your account settings, where you can manage different options and features available for your account. Great! Now that you're in the Settings menu, it's time to click on the Security tab. This tab houses the options related to the security of your account, including token management. Once you're in the Security section, look for a button that says Generate New Token. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this will allow you to create a unique access token for your account. After you click Generate, you'll need to give your new token a name. This could be anything that helps you remember what the token is for, like API access or My Project token. Once you write a token name, you can then proceed to the next step. The next step is crucial. You need to set the expiration date for your token. This is essentially choosing how long you want your access token to be valid. You might want it to expire after a week, a month, or whatever time frame suits your needs best. This helps in managing security effectively. Now, let's move on to the next essential part, choosing the use case for your token. This is where you define what this token will be used for. You'll see several options, so select the one that best matches your needs. If you want to read project data, for instance, look for and click on Projects Read. Once you've set everything up, you're almost there. The last thing you'll need to do is click on the Generate Token button. This final step will create your access token. After the token is generated, be sure to copy it right away. Remember, you will only see your token once for security reasons. So, store it in a safe place and don't share it with anyone you don't fully trust. Finally, if, for any reason, you need to revoke access to that token, you can do so by clicking on Revoke Access. This will delete it from your account, ensuring that it's no longer valid. And that's it. You've successfully created your Figma access token. Thanks for tuning in today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy designing with Figma.